What's good, y'all? Today I want to break down this trade that I made $1,000 in like 8 minutes. It was on the NASDAQ, and you can see on the screen behind me, this is a live market. So let's get into it. All right, y'all. So this trade that I took today was amazing. But the thing about it is the work was done yesterday. I'm a firm believer in when preparation meets opportunity, that's when you find success. And you can see in my Discord yesterday, I called this on Nas. Yesterday was a bank holiday. And to be honest, today I wasn't expecting too much because the day after a bank holiday is usually not that good. But look, here we are in my Discord. I said, NQ, if these bullish levels hold, I'm looking to run all of that low resistance liquidity to the left, buy side. All right, so this is obviously the weekly chart, and you can see that we're in a weekly model. We have a bullish candle from last week. So there is a chance that we could come down here. But what I told my group is if the bullish levels hold on the 4 hour, then I will be looking to go long. So you can see these are the 4 hour fair value gaps here. And you can see all this low resistance liquidity up here. Price goes down into a key level, gives a smart money reverse. There's a 4 hour IFVG there, a little breaker. So it was just amazing. And if you're a premium member of my group, you have access to this every day. So that way, across the board on every pair of my watch list, you know exactly what I'm looking for. That way, when I do call the signal, it doesn't just catch you off guard. And you can actually learn while you're making money with me. All right, so here we are on the NASDAQ. This is a live market. This is the 4 hour chart. You can see we're just in a bullish model. We went down, we repriced back down to this key level down here. We're holding these bullish key levels, and we have a lot of low resistance liquidity, equal highs. This big area is a weekly fair value gap. So I expect this type of turbulence in it, as you see. But all of this turbulence just provides us for a target once price starts curling back up. So you can see price is still pumping. Let's just go to the 15-minute. This was a perfect champagne model, I'm not gonna lie. This was a CM1, but actually the CM5 hit 2. So you could have taken either one. I mean, my group really just went crazy today on this trade. All right, so this morning I'm telling my group, like, if these bullish levels hold, the same ones I put in weekly bias yesterday, that I'm still gonna be long. But this is what I pointed out to them. I pointed out this fair value gap right here, and also I pointed out this 4 hour order block right here. So you can see like how nicely it respected that. So let's go back to 15. So now that we have this 4 hour order block here, I'm also looking at the 15-minute chart, which we're on right now, and then look at these 15-minute fair value gaps here. Boom, boom. It just held perfectly. This is the open right here. We went up, we came back down to like an OTE area, and then we just respected it. After the open, see this move right here was manipulation. Once it runs down like this, you can see the power of 3 right here actually. So you got accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. That's your power of 3. You can see the 4 hour candle right here is bullish. That's a big part of the champagne model. A lot of people like to just use the time frame correlation, but they be forgetting about the power of 3. And the reason that I have such a high win rate with good RR is because I'm trading the power of 3 with the market maker model. I'm using them both in combination, and that's when I get these explosive trades like this. So I told my group, if this 15-minute fair value gap gets inverted, then I will be looking to go long to these equal highs. That's exactly what happened. So let's go to the 1 minute so y'all can see the execution. Boom, this was a fucking banger. All right, so now you can see the execution. If you look down here, we got a 1 minute IFVG right there. This green area is a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. And we just got price going up, coming back, retesting it. Safe stop loss. This was just a nice market maker model. Look at this. We got equal highs up here. We got price going down to a key level, smart money reversing, and then just running the low resistance liquidity. I didn't even hold this trade all the way up here because we didn't have any news today. This was also counter trend at the time. So it was not the easiest. Actually, it was pretty easy. I'm not even gonna lie. just circumstance. Because it didn't have red folder news, I wasn't trying to be too greedy today. I usually don't trade red folder news, but I know that Tuesday through Thursday, you're going to get a lot of, or a majority of, the distribution for the weekly candle. So I always pay attention to Tuesday through Thursday. That's a pro tip for y'all. But yeah, this was a banger, man. I still made $1,000 on it. I probably could have made like 3 or 4,000 if I would have actually held it all the way up to the 15-minute key level. But it was all good. You know what I'm saying? I made $1,000. I actually took this on my Forex account as well. You can see the wins here. You can see that this is a live account. Yeah, this was a good ass trade, man. And here's my futures account. You can just see my P&L right here. I'm up 17,000 for the month, almost 17,000. A trade zealous score of 84.7. Here's some of my recent trades. I've been on a streak, man. I'm not gonna lie. The day win percentage is 90%. Y'all can see 10 winning days this month, 1 losing day. And then here are the stats. This has been a good month. I ain't gonna say it's been an easy month to trade, because it has been kind of difficult, especially if you trade New York AM session. But I've been locked in. I've been focused. You can see I have a lot of like 1 and 2 trade days, a lot of 100% days here. Today, 1 trade, 100%. I'm out of there. So yeah, now that we have hit the draw liquidity, which was those equal highs on that 15-minute chart, you can see that price is just accumulating. Again, an amazing A+ champagne model 1. And until the next video, out.